How to restore old YouTube layout. Welcome and let's get right into this tutorial. To begin with, in the Play Store you can search for YouTube Redux. In the search bar type in YouTube Redux, in which you can easily get the old layout of your YouTube. Check if it is available in your Play Store. If you cannot find the application, you can head back from here. Then, for the alternative method, open up your Chrome or any preferred browser. Again, search for YouTube Redux. You need to click on the first option, that is YouTube Redux Chrome Web Store. Now as you can see, it is your old YouTube look and features. In order to get in your device, just tap on Add to Desktop. After which, you will have to install it in your device. Then, you'll be able to enjoy your YouTube old layout. Isn't it simple? So make sure to go ahead and give this a try, and thank you so much for tuning in.